My name's Cam Beeson, and I am from Northwest Florida. I've been on deployment with Grindstone Ministries 3 times now. Rolling Fork, Mississippi, Selmer, Tennessee, and Leander, Texas. And I can't say enough good things about having the honor of being able to deploy and work with Grindstone Ministries, and the people I've met and get to work alongside are truly some of the most amazing and awesome people I've met in my life. Getting to be front and center in the middle of that type of devastation, and getting to be a small light on somebody during their darkest hour is it feels really good and makes you feel like, you know, you're doing the right thing in God's eyes. And getting to see these people's resolve and their courage and sense of community and love when they've lost everything is just a very humbling experience and extremely worthwhile, and makes you really thankful of all the little things that you would overlook most other times. These guys and girls that I work with, they've become like family to me. I actually get a little sad every time a deployment's over and I've got to point the truck towards home and say goodbye to everybody. So yeah, selfishly, I look forward to going on these deployments because of who I get to go see again, and the joy and, you know, the feeling that just fills my heart is just you can't explain it until you've experienced it. And there's jobs for anybody, regardless of your skill level or your age or your health. Anything from handing out toothbrushes to running heavy equipment to demo, construction, you name it. There's something for everyone. So I'm just blessed to have ever had that first opportunity to volunteer for Grindstone, because that opened the door for me to be able to continue doing it and continue growing in my faith and love for my fellow man, and definitely the group that I get to work alongside. Thank you.